There is no such judgment from Supreme Court. What Supreme Court did was dismiss an appeal against an FCT High Court judgment that recognized Dan Nwafo as the chairman against Maslenus Nemibu. And that is the period under discussion has since expired. Neither Maslenus Nemibu nor Dan Nwafo is the chairman of the party in Imo State because the National Convention has since conducted fresh congresses because the period we are talking about, their tenure has expired. And since it is expired, there's nothing there again for anybody to benefit from. So what the Supreme Court did was just to dismiss the appeal against that judgment of FCT High Court. The current ESCO, none of them are parties to the case. The current ESCO were duly elected, confirmed and ratified by convention. Convention is the highest organ of our party, and whatever they said is final. That is the position of Supreme Court in the case of McAfee and the Sheriff. Supreme Court said whatever that is done by convention is final. So, and I didn't hear Supreme Court give any consequential instructions. All they did was dismiss an appeal that went to them as a result of the judgment of the FCT High Court. So McDonald Debere and his ESCO remains the authentic executive of APC in Imo State. However, assuming but not considering to that fact, if anything happens and there is change of state executive, the primaries and congresses are being conducted by the national leadership of our party. State ESCOs don't conduct primaries, nor do they conduct congresses. So you can see the electoral panels that are working in Imo State, they all came from Abuja. So, and as long as Abla Adamu and Omishoro remains the chairman and secretary of our great party, the primaries are legitimate. My supporters in Imo State, they know the situation, and I don't think anybody is under any illusion. And they are convinced that we are doing the right thing, and the law is with us, on our side. And you can see primaries are going on, and our members and supporters are very busy doing one thing or the other. So there's nothing to worry about.